Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys different ideas of embellishments that you can add to your projects, send to your pen pals on any type of, like as a goodie or something, or even included on the project itself. And a lot of these are kind of like Valentine's Day. I have some winter ones, but they're mainly Valentine's Day ideas. And yeah, so I just wanted to share with you guys different types of embellishments that you can make and use in your projects for Valentine's Day or Christmas, because you can incorporate the idea with different holidays, of course. So here's a little tray that I have filled with a bunch of goodies, and if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I've posted quite a few of these, but I wanted to do a video to show you guys in depth and a closer view of what each embellishment is like. So let's see. First off, before we start on the tray, I want to show you guys some other ones that I created. Now, these embellishments, I got the idea from my friend Vivi on Instagram. I'm gonna have her link down below, but she was selling these little Valentine's Day kits on her Instagram, and I remembered that I had the die to the little coffee cups that she was putting on top of her rosettes. So I was like, you know what, I haven't used them, might as well take it out since I have it. I'm going to show you guys the die that I have. So it's a Spellbinders die, and I'm going to bring the focus up because all my embellishments will be coming up to show you guys a better view. So this is the die that she uses on her little rosettes, and they came out super cute, and I purchased this during Black Friday and never used it, you guys. We're horrible, I swear. We just purchase stuff and we just never use them. I know I'm not alone, but I decided to play around with it yesterday and make about 6 of them and see how they turned out, and this is what they look like. So here's the first one, and then here's another one, and these are super fun to add on projects, or you can make wands out of them as well. See how cute they turned out? And there's this one, and then I have 2 more, and it's these 2 right here. And you guys, if you want to see a tutorial on any of the embellishments that I show you guys today, feel free to leave a comment down below and I will definitely get to that, because I would love to show you guys how I make certain things. I just feel sometimes there's so many tutorials out there that I'd rather do project shares than just show you guys how to make them, because some of the things are self-explanatory. But if you guys would like to see me create some of these on my channel, just let me know and I will definitely do that for you guys. But these are the first embellishments that I wanted to show you, that I got the idea from my friend Vivi, and I loved hers. Hers were so cute, and I was just like super inspired to create them. Now the next few things I want to show you guys is some cute little girly feminine tags, and it's these right here. And these little die cuts are from the Planner Society. She's got these little wreath girls, and she had them during Christmas time, and then she came out with them, I guess, for like winter, but with a lot of pink on it, so kind of like for Valentine's Day as well. And I decided to make some tags, and all I did was take a basic tag, which I'll show you guys the tags that I used. I picked up this pack of tags from Michael's, and it's Craft Smart tags. You get 24 in the pack, and they're just plain white, so you can kind of embellish them any way you want. And on one side it's like almost like an off-white, and then the other side is like white. So some of them I did use the off-white, and then the white I kind of like switched it up. If I wanted just a white background, I turned them around. So I just put some doilies on the back, and then I used the die cut, which of course the image is not this big, but you can resize the image however you want, and it's a digital set, so what I did was make the images a little bit bigger to fit my tags. And then I just put some little paper flowers on the ends, some little hearts and little word stickers, and some ribbon up top, just stapled down with my tiny attacher. But yeah, you guys, these are super fun. Package them up super cute. I love to package up my tags if I'm going to gift them to a friend. I'm going to show you some from last year that I just never sent away, but these are some tags that I made last year, and then I just packaged them up really nice. And I made these for Valentine's last year, but last year I didn't have any pen pals, and I still have them, so I might share them this year. But you see how cute they look once you package them up. It kind of looks like you purchased them at a store. I'm sure you guys remember these tags. This is quite a popular video on my channel when I created these tags, these layered tags using the My Story from my Mind's Eye collection. But I'm trying to show you guys how cute it looks once it's packaged and set up that way. So that's what I do plan on doing with like these little tags, so that I can gift them to my friends, maybe individual, maybe send 2 in a set. I haven't quite decided that yet. What I also did with these same tags was I decided to cut off the top part and then a little bit off the bottom, and then just round the corners and make like some cute little cards. And this is how they turned out. This one has some crepe paper and a little cactus and just a little wood chip. This one has another crepe paper and it says moi and a little heart. And then we have this one with the cute little girl from, I forgot the collection that this is from. Oh, Glitter Girl. And then a cute little wood chipboard heart. So those were super fun to make, and I think different and super fun to include in Valentine's Day mail for your pen pal as a handmade embellishment. I also made a few of these, which I also think I have in my channel. So I made some of these that you can also include on the project itself or share. And I think I have a tutorial on this on my channel. If I do, I will link it down below. And then we have a few more tags. Tags are super fun to make. They're one of my favorites, and they're super fun to share. So here's the first one that I made. And then here's the second one. Then we have this one. It says so cute. And then this tag, I have a little bingo card, but I made it a shaker, so I put the shaker on top of the tag. So these are going to be fun to share as well. And then I have some of these doilies that I made, and I also did some rosettes on top of them and added some die cuts. These are also cute to put like on loaded bags and stuff. And super easy to make, you guys. Like you can make these in under like 5 minutes. So those are those right here. Let's put those back. And then on to the next little pocket. Here. Okay. These were also inspired by my friend Vivi. She has some cute little tags that she included in her Valentine's Day kit. So I decided to make something similar just because I love the look of it. And these are the tags that I made. How cute did they turn out? These die cuts are from Michael's from last year. And then just some crepe paper in the back, and that's it, you guys. Some ribbon, and you're all done. Like super easy. Then I have some little cupcake liner rosettes. And if I have a video of whatever I was inspired by, I will definitely be having those linked down below, because my friend Carina posted a video on cupcake liner rosettes, and that's what these were inspired by. Even though I had made some of these last year, but the little lace in the back and stuff like that was inspired by her current video, and I will be posting that down below. But that's what these look like. And what I like to do, you guys, is kind of like give one, maybe like one of each to one of my pals, make like a little gift set of different embellishments so they can have like one of each. These are super fun, and these are just like some little handmade tickets, just little decorated with some flowers, some die cuts, some word stickers. And I made a bunch of these last year as well, so I definitely wanted to do them this year. Last year I made them a little longer, but this year I decided to do just 3 tickets. And these are super easy to make. If you guys want to see how I made these, because I don't remember exactly what video, I would have to go back so far back on my Instagram from last year to see where exactly did I see the how to make the tickets. But I do remember how to make them, and if you guys want to see a video on that, just let me know. I will definitely do that. But these are super fun to also share in Happy Mail. And then of course I made little baggies with, sometimes if you want to share some stuff, I made some tabs out of my tab punch and then just packaged them really cute, and then I just add that in, you know, as a little goodie in my Happy Mail. So that's also something you guys can do. You could just make little cutouts and stuff and put them in cute little bags and share them with your pen pals. These are nothing else, so those are just some stuff I'm going to use. But I've also made these, which are quite popular on Instagram right now, and they're just some little, they look like little flags, little paper clips. I made a bunch of these. I like to share these as well. I like to add these to my pocket letters. Once again, if you guys want to see a tutorial or watch me or craft with me making these, please comment that down below. So that's basically it for everything in this one, because those are just some bows that I have. And then let's put these back. And then over here I have some, oh, this is another little set of tickets. You guys, they're so fun to make. I love them so much. I can't wait to share those. And then here are some like winter themed tickets that I made. Not tickets, tags. Well, this one is Valentine's Day. Isn't that cute, you guys? I love making layered tags. It's my favorite. And here are some other tags that I've created. And this one, I think I used the Snow and Cocoa by Crepe Paper collection. And they're just so cute. I love them so much. All I really have to do, I might do a video showing you guys how I package up my like handmade embellishments. I definitely would do that to show you guys if you want to see it. Now, lastly, what I'm going to show you are some shakers. And my friend Solange had posted a picture on Instagram showing how she made some shakers using the Main Squeeze collection by Crepe Paper. So of course I was like super inspired. I have the collection, which I totally forgot to show you guys on my Valentine's Day stash video, but I can show you guys right now. Give me 1 second. I had completely forgotten to show you guys this little stash that I had, but I have these stickers that I didn't show you guys. I also have these, and then I have these like thickers, and then this is the other sheet that goes in there. And then I have this one, which is by Pebbles. And then you guys, I have this is the Main Squeeze chipboard. I totally forgot to show you guys this. I have a bunch of stuff to this collection. I just haven't taken it all out, so that's why I totally forgot to show you guys. But I have like doubles of everything, and this is the one I've been using lately. But anyway, like I was saying, my friend Solange posted a video, not a video, I think she has a video too, but she posted a picture of some shakers using that collection, and I just died because I loved her shakers so much that I was super inspired. I think I made them the same day that I saw the picture because I was that inspired. So this is what they look like. How cute is that? And then I made this one. I made this one. This one. And then I made this one. We have this one. I love that sound. And then we have this one. And then she had made like a little heart one. I made one too. I just have trim all around mine. And then there's this one. And then she had made the guitar, and I had to, definitely had to make that one as well. And it has like a little shaker in the inside. That was my favorite one that she created, and I had to recreate. It was just too cute to not create. But yeah, you guys, these are all my embellishments that I have so far for like Valentine's Day to share with all my pen pals. Like I said before, if you guys want to see any of these in a tutorial, just let me know. I will be sure to get to that as soon as I can. These are fun to share, super girly and easy, you guys. Like, don't get intimidated by looking at them thinking that they're super hard to make. They are not. They're easy, and if I can do it, you can do it. So that's it for today, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to thumbs up. Please hit that bell if you want to see my next videos or whenever I post, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.